Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a video to Canva. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could hit the like button and the subscribe button, that would be amazing. Cool, okay, so let's jump into it. As you can see, we are in canva.com and I've got a blank template in front of me. So what we're going to do is we are going to come to the left-hand side and we are going to click on this uploads button. So give that a click and then we're going to press this purple button that says upload files. So just go and upload the video that you want. So I've got this video here, so I'm just going to give that a double click. And as you can see, it has now shifted to videos. So you've got these three options at the top. So you've got images, you've got videos and audio. And we've got this bar underneath here that is loading our video for us. So we're just going to wait for that. And then we've also got audio as well. So underneath here, we have got all of our videos that we have ever uploaded to Canva. So if we just click on that, and then that appears for us here onto our lovely template. So we've got this gorgeous stock footage of these amazing waves. And what you can do is you can crop it to size. So if you want to make the video bigger, you can do by just going up to the corners. And when this little arrow appears, clicking on your left-hand button, holding it down and dragging it to the right size that you want. You can make it smaller. You can always add a background. So by clicking off the video and onto the template at the back, and then you can see this multicolored square that has appeared at the top. So and it says background color. So if you give that a click, and then you can add a background color that you want, maybe like a nice blue or something, as this is a video of the ocean. And then you could also add any text that you wanted as well, whichever you wanted to do, getting nice and creative. So that is it. That is how to upload a video on Canva. So it's just important to remember that when you come up to uploads, that you scroll along and you select videos, and that is where your video will be. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope that you found it useful. If you could hit the like button and the subscribe button, that would be amazing. If you've got any comments or questions, if you can leave it down in the comment section below, that would be amazing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.